right, y'all. So what we're talking about today is going to be support and resistance. And if you're a beginner trader or even an intermediate trader trying to get your life in order, this is a great video for you. So make sure you're taking notes because note takers are money makers. All right. So y'all, first things first, we're talking about support and resistance. If you're not aware of that, currently where you are, there is a floor, right? So if you're jumping on that floor, my friends, you should not be falling through. Okay. And what that does in the market, there's going to be an area where price is unable to keep falling. Okay. And if we have multiple touches at this area, that is now considered a level of support. Contrary to that, if we have an area above price action, right, and price keeps hitting it and is unable to keep rising, then that area or that level becomes a level of resistance. Okay. So in this case, my friends, we are able to identify levels of support. Price is unable to keep falling, levels of resistance, price is unable to keep rising, and we are seeing that price is bouncing in between these. Now, your other question should be, how do I identify an entry? Great question. For an entry for a put play, what we'd be looking for, that's support, right? Remember, we were saying support happens when price is unable to continue to fall. But there are times where price can break through that level, right? And when price is able to break through that level of support, retest that level of support, now flip that level of support into now a level of resistance, and then push down. The push down, right? After the level has retested that former level of support, turned it into a level of resistance, then we're able to use that as an entry to a play to the downside. Now, contrary to that, resistance, right? A price is unable to break through this level. And once we get a break of this level, retest of that level that used to be resistance, used to be that ceiling, turns it into a floor, and then we get a retest, and then we get a continuation. Okay, now I'm going to show you this in real-time charts right now. So just understanding that that's what the definition of support and resistance is and what it looks like on a chart. It's a great example. So screenshot this. Okay, so now the next thing I want you to do, you're going to see this actual trade that we took live on Monday morning with the group. How cool is that to be able to make the money you want to make before 9:45? How cool is that? So now we need a level, right? Remember when I was just teaching you about support and resistance, you need these strong levels to use in order to get that break and retest of that particular level. Okay. So what we have here is we're as technical trader, my friends, what do we need to make informed decisions on our trades? We need to look to the left to trade to the right. So I simply just scroll over here to the left, and what do I see? I see it clear as day. Clear as day, my friends, that look, we have the highest point on Thursday where this stock got to and was unable to break through this level. That was the highest point. Cool. We go to the next trading day, Friday, where we do the exact same level, y'all, which is so it's not by coincidence. Okay. So we're like, all right, cool. That was Friday. Monday came through, had that level marked, because obviously if price was not able to break through that, I need to be aware of this level. Okay, y'all, so I want you to also know that when it comes to price action and being a technical trader, the simple thing that you need to remember is that the charts are telling you a story and you should believe the story. Okay. So if price is telling us that we are unable to break 250, 266 2 days in a row, had a strong reaction to the downside here, had a strong reaction down here, what should I do when price action once again gets to that level? Pay attention and understand that it may have a strong reaction once again. Okay. And what did we see? We saw that this was a nice strong reaction at this level here, and that was our thought process in the sense that this trade will definitely keep going down. In this case, it did, right? Because of the fact that we had that level marked, and we had seen that the reaction happened 2 days in a row. All right, y'all. So I'm not the trader that'll get in anywhere. I have my strategy that I used to get in, but I want to show you here on this diagram. This is exactly what I was looking for. I have a key level, and then I have a reaction at that level, and then I have the bounce down off of that level. Okay, this level that we've found, remember looking at price action to the left, turned into a level of resistance once again. And now I'm looking for my entry, which is right here. This is a pullback. So that's what I like to look for once I have seen a reaction at a key level. All right. So as you can see, the key level was here, marked from price action from Thursday and Friday. Got to push the downside. And then here is the pullback that I was able to take all the way down to our profit target here. Simple, clean, straight to the point, my friends. Understanding what support and resistance is, how to use it, and also identifying your entries as you go is going to help you as a trader to build confidence. All right, y'all. So I hope you learned something new from this key level bounce strategy, understanding how to identify support and resistance, using that level to predict a possible rejection off of that level, then looking for your setup, which in this case is a pullback, and then the entry into that said trend, and then, you know, obviously taking profit, which it did the exact same thing, got down to the profit target here, which is here. All right, y'all. So if you ever want to hear my thought process and, you know, see my screen live, trade with us live. We trade every day. And I say we, that's my husband and I. We trade every day with our group from 9:30 a.m. Go ahead and comment the word trade down below, or simply click the link in my description. But also, if you want to get started on your trading journey and you want to get a little bit more resources, go ahead and comment the word free to get access to that. Until next time, my friend, make sure you have subscribed and give this video a like. Help me get to 1,000 likes. I appreciate y'all. And I'll see you on the next one. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed rest of the year.